I have created an AI agent that can interpret your commands through conversation and seamlessly translate them into Proxmox API calls. Just tell AI what you need, and it takes care of the rest. Whether you are creating a VM, stopping container, managing your Proxmox, getting information about your infrastructure, and so on. This powerful AI agent is built using N8N for automation, integrated with Gemini AI model, which, by the way, can also use OpenAI, Olama, Claude, or any other AI model to process user input and generate precise Proxmox API calls. And of course, this is low-code platform. You can keep enhancing this by yourself. I'll be sharing all the details. So there are multiple sections that I have made here. Process is extremely simple. The trigger can be anything. I'm using chat here, but of course you can use Telegram or anything. And then on this particular node, I have defined the agent. I have mentioned what will be the responsibilities of the agent and which tools the agent will be using. So this parser will be giving the output in the predefined format. So it will be taking the response type, URL, and the details. And it will be showing the message also. For example, if you have to create the VM with ID this, 4-core CPU, and so on. So depending upon this, it will be giving the response back that it has been created. So this is a message output. And based on this, of course, if type is get, post, delete, or anything, so it will be definitely accordingly, it will be choosing the flow. So I created 3 different kind of flows. Get will give you the information from the Proxmox nodes or Proxmox cluster. So based on that, the information is structured. And once it is structured, I have sent it to AI agent to generate conversational response back. And then the post request will be split into 2 HTTP requests, which are again sent to Proxmox node. One is if it has the body, another is if it doesn't have the body. So based on that, whatever response comes back, so it will execute the command here. After execution, whatever message will come back, so this message will be again displayed back to chat. And if it is delete request, so delete will be sent again here. Based on that, if it is having body, so it will go here. If it is not having body, it will go here. And finally, the output will come here. Now we can of course send this output back to AI agent also, but here it is structuring the response and changing it to information that will be readable. So whatever response is coming back from API, so it will make it readable and you will get it on the screen. Of course, I'm still developing it. There is a lot that can be done. I need your input also if you want. So this is a JSON format that can be simply imported into N8N, and this will exactly work the way it is working with me. Of course, you can start working on this. So this was all about the Proxmox AI agent. So I have taken a good amount of time to develop this AI agent, and this AI agent is now working as I was expecting. Of course, AI is changing the way we do our job, whether it is to run the basic operations on Proxmox, some complex operations, all of that can be done. So you will take some time to train your AI agent, then it will start performing the way you want it. Of course, 100% accuracy is not there because I have just made it for the sake of this tutorial. Let's continue to next video and see what other AI agents can be built for Proxmox.